So hello everyone and a very good afternoon to all of you. So today we have a new problem which name is sort characters by frequency. Leetcode 451 problem. So let's read the problem statement. Given a string as sort it is in decreasing order based on the frequency of the character. The frequency of a character is the number of times it appears in the string. Okay. Return the sorted string if there are multiple answers. Return any of them. Why there are multiple answers? Because here what we have given is we have to sort in a manner that most frequency character will come first, and after this, if my frequency of t is 1 and my frequency of r is 1, so it can be EERT or EETR. So same frequency character can exchange our position. Okay. So as you can see in example, like if a tree is given, so we have to find the most frequency element. Most frequency element is E, so E will come forward. So EE, then RT, and it can be EE or TR. As you can see in example 2, here we have give a string is CCC and AAA. So most frequency element is A and C. Now we have to sort this. So after sorting, A will come first. So it will be AAA and CCC. It will be like this. As you can see in example 3, here the frequency of small b is 2. So b will come forward. So bb and capital A and small a. It can be capital A small a and small a or capital A. bb small a or capital A. So let's see the approach for this problem. Yeah. Here you can see that if my string is t, so we will find the most frequent element means सबसे ज़्यादा बार कौन सा एलिमेंट रिपीट कर रहा है. सो ई इज कमिंग टू टाइम्स, आर इज कमिंग ओनली वन टाइम एंड टी इज कमिंग ओनली वन टाइम. सो द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द ई इज हायर. So E will come first after sorting this. So E will come first. The our tree is EE. Then you can see the frequency of R is 1 and the frequency of T is also 1. So it can be a like EETR or EERT. And in same example, like if my string is AABB, so definitely B will come, small b will come first because the frequency of V is 2, which is higher. So BB, then it can be A and capital A and capital A and small a because the frequency of capital A and small a is 1, which is same. Okay. So here is the note is relative order between character of same frequency is not important. So as you can see, if my frequency of if the frequency is same, so it can exchange their positions. So if my string is like this, if this is my string, so as you know that the SKI value of capital A to capital Z is 65 to 90 and the SKI value of small a to small z is 97 to 122. वैसे इसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी पर for a non purpose it should be means इसकी value पता होनी चाहिए. So in this problem, what I will do is I will create a map. As you can see, here we are storing the count of the frequency. So we have to create the map. If we create a map, so you can see a capital A is coming two times, capital B is coming two times, and like this 65 to 90. 65 to 90 means सबसे पहले मैं मतलब कैरेक्टर कैसे देख रहा हूँ, कैपिटल लेटर वाले कैरेक्टर देख रहा हूँ. नाउ 97 टू 122, मैं 97 टू 122 वाले कैरेक्टर कौन से होते हैं, स्मॉल लेटर वाले होते हैं. वैसे इसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, मैं वैसे बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है. स्मॉल इज कमिंग थ्री टाइम्स, स्मॉल बी इज कमिंग ओनली वन टाइम लाइक दिस. ठीक है. आफ्टर सॉर्टिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द फ्रीक्वेंसी मेरे को सॉर्ट करना है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द फ्रीक्वेंसी सॉर्ट करेंगे तो एज यू कैन सी दैट द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ स्मॉल ए इज 3 विच इज हायर. So small a will come first, then capital A, then capital B. Because the frequency is same, it can be small capital B or capital A. Because we know that if the frequency is same for the particular elements, the particular characters, like frequency of capital A is 2, frequency of capital B is 2. So it can change their positions. It can be capital A, capital B or capital B, capital A. सो एज सो सबसे पहले इसी ऑर्डर में हमको सॉर्ट कर देना है. आफ्टर सॉर्टिंग दिस व्हाट वी विल गेट इज Okay, small a will come first because the frequency of small is higher. Then is capital A will come first, or then capital B. It can be capital B. For capital B पहले भी आ सकता है और capital A बाद आ सकता है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Then cap small c because the frequency of small c is to same. स्मॉल सी पहले भी आ सकता है बाद में आ सकता है बिकॉज हमें मैटर क्या करती है, फ्रीक्वेंसी मैटर करती है. ठीक है. देन स्मॉल व्हीकल will come first. So here the time complexity and space complexity is uh, finally, because length of the string will be large, so big O of n, big O of n. So this was the solution. Let's write the code for this. Now, firstly, what I will do is I have to create an order map. So for storing the frequency, so I have to create an order map. So an ordered map of another map of character comma integer type, which name is map. Okay. Now I have to create a vector also. So but I'll tell you about why I'm creating a vector. So vector of pair of integer comma character, which name is b. Okay. Now I have to create a string answer, which I'll return this answer string because I have to return the final answer string. Now अब क्या करेंगे कि उसको फ्रीक्वेंसी स्टोर कराएंगे. सो फ्रीक्वेंसी स्टोर मीन्स मैप में फ्रीक्वेंसी स्टोर कराएंगे. सो फ्रीक्वेंसी स्टोर. सो फ्रीक्वेंसी स्टोर कैसे कराएंगे, फॉर int I equals to 0, I less than s dot size, then I plus plus, then a map of s of I plus plus. ठीक है. Now I have stored the frequency of each character in map. Now अब जो मैप की है ना, मैप में जो चीजें हैं उनको वेक्टर में स्टोर कराना है. ठीक है. तो पुश फ्रॉम मैप टू वेक्टर टू वेक्टर. सो हाउ वी कैन पुश दिस, फॉर ऑटो आई बिलोंग्स टू मैप. ये मैप को आइट्रेट करेगा और फिर हम पुश बैक कर देंगे बी डॉट पुश बैक ऑफ बी डॉट पुश बैक ऑफ. पुश बैक के अंदर टू वैल्यूज जाएंगी. कौन कौन सी, बिकॉज वेक्टर इज अ पेयर टाइप. सो फर्स्ट वैल्यू विल बी इंटीजर टाइप. सो आई डॉट second. Why I dot second? I'll tell you about this because I dot second is the value of integer type in map. I dot second, you can see first value is character and the second value is integer. So I dot second will show the integer value, which is the count, comma I dot first. Now I have pushed the value from the map to integer, map to vector. Now what I will do is I have to sort this. So how we can sort of b dot begin, comma b dot end, and I have to sort in a decreasing order. As you can see here, the frequency of the characters in number of time it appears. Okay, the sort it in decreasing order. So how we can sort this in decreasing order? I have to write greater here integer comma care because it's a 2D vector, means a pair type. So greater of a pair of integer comma char. So now I have sorted. So now I have to add this to the final string. So I add to the final string answer. So now how I can, so for auto I belongs to vector. So vector में सबसे पहले क्योंकि हमने vector में values स्टोर करा रखी है. सबसे पहले मैप में फ्रीक्वेंसी स्टोर कराई, लाइक a is coming 3 times, b is coming 3 times, like this. नाउ उन वैल्यूज को मैंने वेक्टर में डाल दिया. वेक्टर हमारा पेयर टाइप का था जिसकी फर्स्ट वैल्यू शो कर रही थी इंटीजर टाइप इंटीजर वैल्यू को, और सेकंड वैल्यू कैरेक्टर को शो कर रहा था. सो लाइक इंटीजर वैल्यू इज 3, and the character is A, means A is coming three times like this. Now what I'll do is I will traverse the whole vector and I'll check while I dot, like you can see integer value is first value is the integer value, so I dot first minus minus, I dot first is a integer value, so उस integer value को पहले मैं माइनस करता जाऊंगा और my string में जोड़ता हूँ I dot second को, because I dot second is the character value, so I dot I answer plus equals to I dot second. Now finally I will return our answer, return answer. Now let's run this and see if this will work or not. Here is some problem. So an another map of character comma integer, it should be. Here is the problem. Greater pair of integer comma character. So greater pair of integer comma character. Oh, it should be, this sign should be there. Yeah, yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it is working. The time complexity and space complexity, I have told you about this कि time complexity and space complexity क्या होगी, but in this solution now it's your task to find the time and space complexity for this, because वैसे तो मैंने बता ही दिया कि कितना रहेगा, अब खुद को भी फाइंड करना है आपको कि टाइम एंड स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कितनी रहेगी और हाउ वी कैन ऑप्टिमाइज द स्पेस. Okay, so it's your task to do. So this was the complete solution. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe.